Right, let's have a look at these. So differentiating using the simple rule, divide the x then. 9 comes down, x to the 1 less than 9, which is 8. This one. The 11 comes down to be with the 6, 6 11, so 66, x to the 1 less. Here we run along the row, differentiating term by term, don't we? 6, x to the 1 less than 3, which is 2, plus 2 3s is 6, x to 1 less than 2, so that's just 6x, minus, the x differentiates to 1, minus 6 lots of 1 is 6, and the constant differentiates to 0. So we could tidy that up by just getting, because we usually write x to the 1 as just x, don't we? So that's what we've got there. This one, we can tidy this up first of all. This is 5x to the minus 3 if we bring it up to ground level, isn't it? Using the rules for indices. So divide the x then. The minus 3 comes to be with the 5 to make minus 15. X to the 1 less than minus 3 is minus 4. And we could, if we like, preferred write that as minus 15, and now just tidy it up, we could write that as over x to the 4. Here we need to do a bit of algebra first. This is power 1, this is power half. Times you add the powers, so we'll get 1.5, which we can write as 3 over 2. So divide the x then here. 3 over 2 lots of 6 is 9. 6 1.5s are 9. X to the 1 less than 3 over 2 is 1/2. This one here, bring everything up to ground level. X squared minus x to the minus 2. When you bring it up, you flip the index using rules for indices. So divide the x then. 2 run along the row, x to the 1 less than 2, which is 1. Minus and minus is a plus. 2 lots of x to the 1 less than minus 2 is minus 3. This one now. Third comes to be with the 10 to make 10 thirds. X to the 1 less than the third is minus 2 thirds. Okay. This one. Everything's on ground level. 3 over 2 times 2 is 3. X to the 1 less than 3 over 2 is 1/2. Plus, because there's 2 minuses here, 3's cancelled to leave the 2. X to the 1 less than minus 2 thirds is minus 5 thirds. Type it in the calculator if you need to. And then the last one, we can tidy this up. It's going to be 1/2. Move the x up to the top to be with 1, x to the minus 2. So it's 1/2 lots of x to the minus 2. So differentiate minus 2 halves over 2 is minus 1. X to the minus 1 less than minus 2 is minus 3. We usually just drop the 1 lot of, it's just minus x to the minus 3. And we could, if we liked, write that as minus 1 over x cubed, couldn't we? So you can write it like this or like this, it's up to you.